As an artist, I like to sit with ideas, to get to know them, to chew on them and ruminate on the subject. But this time, I need to just jump right in and go for the gusto, taking in as much as I can and seeing what sticks. This is Basil, and this is Basil's first solid food. And this is Basil today, and his brother Smudge.
You guys ready for breakfast? Smudge, you ready for breakfast?
Food is energy. It can help us connect with others when we share meals. And it supports a life cycle as it grows and sustains us. This was Basil when he first came to us in May. Basil joined a household that really enjoys food.
Hey, Lucy. Do you want some watermelon? Do you want to share my watermelon with me? Oh, I bet you do. Oh, yum. Sadie, do you want some watermelon? You're going to let Lucy have it all. Oh, I think you like this stuff. Yeah. You want some? Oh my gosh, it's so yummy.
There's energy around food, and it can spark fierce competition among rivals. The energy of food plays out in lots of different ways. I stocked up on some good stuff before the residency and was glad to have the bean thread on hand when I found out I was going to be making spring rolls.
So yummy. Oh, yum.